Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. I want to just show you how to reset a Mercedes-Benz with this setup service interval. Alright, so you're going to be using the up and down buttons, the OK button, and also the call button there to reset the service. So first thing you do, you switch the ignition on. Okay, then you want to go to trip. So the way you do that is you press home here, and then you'll scroll up and down. If that screen doesn't come up, you'll scroll up and down, as you can see there, with that arrow. And then you just put it on trip. There you go, there's trip. Alright, and then what you do is you press your call button and the OK button at the same time. I'm going to do that. That screen comes up there. Once you've pressed the call and OK, the call answer and OK. Right, then you just scroll down. You go to Assist Plus, you press OK. Right there. Okay. Then it says switch ignition on to activate Assist Plus. There you go. And then you go OK again. Then it says full service. You scroll one down. You press OK again. Then you go whatever service you want to do. But I go all the way down and confirm service and service carried out. Yes. So you keep scrolling down there and pressing OK. Okay. Okay. That says full service completed. Then you switch the ignition off. And you start the car, and you'll see your service indicator has disappeared. Thank you everybody. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.